All right, so today we're going to do a quick video on how to change the tail light on the Dodge Caravan. It's a 2000. Pretty easy, but just in case somebody needed a tip or so to do it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pop open the rear hatch. And when we do so, there's going to be 2 Phillips screws right over here on the side. I'm going to go ahead and take those out. Pretty quick and easy. There's another one down on the bottom right here. When you get those screws out, the tail light just kind of pops off, and you can kind of almost let it hang if you like. I purchased a Dorman 923-034. It's a little bit of a unique setup on this one. It's got a twist out guy here. You pull that out, the whole bulb comes out. There's a couple connectors on the side that make contact and side the light fixture there. That way it'll transfer the power to the light bulb. So that's the old one. Put the new one in. Click it in just like so. Twist. There's a little catch right here on the side. It's got to go back in. Reinstall the screws. And that's about it. It's pretty quick, easy installation. Just figure if it helps somebody out, I would go ahead and post a video on it. Thanks for watching.